You are watching Kids Funday.
Come on kids, let's sing and play. Learn your letters A to Z today. A, B, C, come sing with me. D, E, F, so fun to see. Let's clap, dance, 1, 2, 3. Learn your letters happily. A for apple, red and round. B for ball that jumps around. C for cat, meow, meow, meow. D for dog, says bow, wow, wow. E for egg, white and small. F for fish, swims in the hall. A, B, C, come sing with me. G, H, I, let's sing high. G for grapes, purple sweet. H for hen, walks on feet. I for ice cream, yummy treat. J for juice, so cold and neat. K for kite, flies in the sky. L for lion, roars so high. A to L, we're halfway done. Learning letters is so fun. M for moon, shines at night. What a sight. O for orange, juicy and bright. P for pen, let's write, write, write. Q for queen, crown so gold. R for rainbow, colors bold. Says to you, what's next to view? We're learning fast, me and you. S for sun, up so high. C for train goes choo-choo-bye. U for umbrella, rain go away. V for van drives all the way. W for watch that ticks on time. X for xylophone, ding ding whine. Y for yacht, sailing free. Z for zoo, come look with me. A to D, we sang today. Hip hip hooray, hooray, hooray! Now we know our ABC. Clap your hands and sing with glee.
Please subscribe Kids Funday.